Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good. Welcome back. The excavator is a heavy mobile equipment utilized in construction, mines, industries. Very useful for excavations, loading, trimming, landscape demolition, river dredging, etc. Although useful, it is a hazard. Risks: electrocution when in touch with electrical cables, pipe bursts, amputations during the maintenance. The bucket can strike people, or structure, malfunctioning of the controls, collapse of the bucket. Precautions: the operator must be trained and competent. A daily inspection must be conducted. Preventative maintenance must be done as per manufacturer OEM. Keep mirrors adjusted and clean. Restrict working area. Safe work is part of smart life. Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good.